Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757, working on a Chevy Cruze. You know, I get down, I get straight to the point. The point of this video is to let you know 100% use the correct coolant. Do not use that universal garbage. Use the correct coolant that's made for this vehicle. This is a GM product. It's a Chevy Cruze, and you can see GM on this coolant. If you decide to start mixing and matching different kind of antifreezes, your car is going to go ahead and overheat on you and possibly blow a head gasket. Sorry about that. There's a plane flying over my head. But anyway, please use the correct coolant that comes with the vehicle. If you have an Asian one, use an Asian coolant. If you have an American vehicle, use American coolant. You can also tell by the color of the coolant. If you decide to use a different coolant, let me know how that works out for you, because it's not going to be a good result. The car is not going to work very well. It's going to overheat and possibly blow a head gasket. Also, it has additives that are specifically made for this vehicle. So with that being said, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.